Hello, this is Tiffany with Hustle Hard Design Co. I just wanted to do a quick video tutorial to show you how to use my animated Tumbler mockup. Okay, when you first open the file, this is what you will see, this image here. And this is the layers section. You're going to click on this area with where the color red is. Double click this area to add your design. And there's another area here, the background. This is a smart object where it says add your design, and the background is also a smart object. You can use this background, or you can click in here and go to File, Embed to add more backgrounds. It comes with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 backgrounds, and you can add more backgrounds by going to File, Place Embedded, and making sure you click on that X. And normally it will prompt you to save it. Just make sure you say yes in order to change the background. Okay, now we're going to change our design. We're going to click where it says add your design. This first area here, you are not going to edit this section. You are just going to go here and double click here to add your design. Okay, and I have some designs in here, but these will not be here. You will just go to File, Place Embed to add your design, and to fit this area here. Let's see. I'm going to this was a chip bag design that I had. I'm going to add this to the design, to the tumbler, just to show you how it contours to the shape of the tumbler. I'm going to delete that. That won't be in there, that line there. Just doing some measurements with the ruler. Okay, we are going to save this. You're gonna be prompted to save twice. So you have to save this, and then we have to go back to the first area and save that. Okay, and then we want to X here and click yes. Okay, let's see. I'm gonna go back to the beginning of this. Is the timeline here for the video. It started in the middle. I'm gonna go here. And depending on how powerful your computer is, if you press play, there won't be any stuttering. My computer is a little slow. It would normally be about 30 screens per second. Mine is running a little slow at about 4 or 5. But once you render the video, it will play smoothly. So I'm just going to stop it here, and you can kind of see how it'll go. Here is a 15-second video. So in order to save the video, you will go to File, Export, Render Video, and just save it to where you want to save it. You can change the name of the file, and then you want to go to find the location where you want to save it. And nothing else needs to be changed. It's 30 frames per second, and then you just click Render Video, and then that's it. Let's see.